Alright, how's it going? Tonight we're working on the '05 Subaru. This is the H6 3-liter motor. Today we're going to be replacing the passenger side valve cover gasket. It's just leaking super bad, about a quart every 20 minutes, so it's totally undrivable. So yeah, let's dig into it. I got the intake pulled off and the filter and the filter box. And that's all so far, so let's dive into it. We're just going to start tearing away at it, get ourselves some better access. I think next we're going to pull this bracket here that holds the coil pack wiring on. Just a little update. We got that bracket off, unplugged the fuel injectors, unplugged the coil packs, and I actually pulled out the coil packs. They're right there. Now on the motor it's kind of like dusty and dirty, so I'm going to grab my leaf blower and just clean that up a little bit. Alright guys, sorry it's a little bit cold. I didn't film for a sec there. I got all the bolts out, and as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a couple other cracks here that are halfway through. So, you know, there's no way this sealed at all. I mean, it's hardened right up like plastic, and it's supposed to be soft rubber like that one. So all right, well, I'm gonna get my pick out and I'm gonna pick this out and we'll put the new one back in. Probably use a little bit of RTV on the back side of these just to help them stay in place while I line everything up, and get it back together. Okay, Roscoe, just standing here. I guess make yourself at home then.